after spending some time with the Viture Luma Pro XR and Ultra XR glasses. I think these are the first XR glasses where I stopped thinking about the technology behind them and actually started thinking about how I would use them. Because once you get them dialed in properly, the experience is really impressive. The digital screens are crisp, sharp, and immersive. And after a while, you stop thinking about having XR glasses on your face and just start enjoying having a giant private display wherever you go. You can still feel that this technology is evolving in real time. But honestly, that's part of what makes it so interesting. For example, there's definitely a setup learning curve. You have to get the right fit and adjust the focus correctly. Then you have to understand what adapters work and which devices they work with. The focus adjustment is great in theory because nobody's eyes are perfectly identical. Being able to individually tune each eye is a genuine help, especially if you wear glasses or you have uneven vision. But because the sliders sit on the outside of the glasses themselves, it's also really easy to accidentally bump them when removing the glasses, putting them on, or storing them, which occasionally means that you have to spend another few minutes every time you use them refocusing. The neckband is an interesting concept. It kind of feels a bit like, sorry, we don't have wireless figured out completely just yet, but here's a compromise. And to be fair, it is better than having your glasses plugged into a device the whole time. But personally, the moment that XR glasses can connect wirelessly into my phone or other devices without the extra friction, that's when this entire category is going to blow up. Because the actual viewing experience is already really, really good. I also need to mention this. If you struggle with migraines, eye strain, or vision-related issues, please check with your doctor or optometrist before you jump into any XR or VR-related devices. VR for me personally is a no-go because of migraines. Yet the XR experience has been significantly better. Everybody's eyes and tolerance levels are completely different, but honestly, getting the correct focus adjusted for each individual eye makes a huge difference. With the Viture XR glasses, you get an application called Spacewalker. Spacewalker gives you the ability to create multiple virtual displays and screens without actually cluttering your desk with multiple monitors, which is pretty cool. You can have work going on the one side, keep an eye on messages on the other, and still keep a game running because modern humans have developed this knack of not being able to concentrate on one thing at a time. So that's really where I've landed on the Viture XR glasses overall. They're not completely perfect just yet. There's still some setup chaos, there's a little bit of management with cables, and still compromises. But for the first time, XR glasses are starting to feel less like a technology demo and more like something that you would integrate into your real life. Honestly, I'm pretty excited to see where this technology goes over the next few years, because at the moment, it feels like Viture is actually leading the category.